Alright guys, we just got here at the Highlands Resort. It is the fishing spot in the middle of Negros, and it's pretty secluded. You can't even find this thing on the map. We weren't even sure where the resort actually was, but we made it here, and it's a pretty damn peaceful place. Costs about 200 pesos to do your fishing. You got to bring your own rods, and I am just setting up my tackle, my new rod, and we're gonna do some fishing. So this is gonna be the start of the fishing in this Philippines series, and we're gonna do some freshwater fishing, and I heard there's a lot of big tilapia and snakeheads in this area, so hopefully we catch a lunker. So stay tuned guys. Got a little froggy lure on. I'm gonna try this out because I've seen others use the same lure. Catch some nice monsters, so let's give it a try. Oh my god.
Holy shit. That's a good try. First, like.
The leg's fucked up. Why is the leg fucked up?
It's tangled. Gonna work.
I don't know. If not, I'm gonna throw jig on.
What?
I'm having troubles with my other rod, so put it on the other reel, and we're gonna give my famous purple sparkly jig a try here. It's been my #1 lure to catch fish in Canada, so I'm gonna give it a try here and see if we can catch it with it. Definitely cast a bit farther. Don't yell fast enough, it's just going to the bottom and Alright, so no such luck just yet, but we have seen some pretty damn big fish moving around and jumping, and they seem to be all along the kind of, oh, there's one just now. That looked like some pretty big movement. So there's something big that's kind of lurking around there, and that's kind of what I want to get. Well, I had one fish following my lure, so I know this lure is attracting them. So we're going to try over here, because this one seems a lot more active, a lot more jumping and stuff. And it's getting close to sundown, so hopefully we catch a fish here. Definitely seems to be a bunch jumping here.
Right now, there's a bunch of fish all swimming around. They seem pretty big. You can see them starting to become more active. I'm guessing, oh, I think we're getting a couple bites, but oh.
You got it?
Got another snag. Now I'm trying to retrieve it.
I've got mountains, worries weighing down on me. I can't count them.
Alright, so this is the last cast. We only had one bite today, and it was on this lure. This is a spinner. So we're going to go find a resort and probably try again early in the morning. And last cast, see what happens.
In the morning,
Fish action, they are jumping out there, so we'll see. I've seen some big snakeheads swimming around, but nothing yet. We got one bite today, and it just made me want to keep trying till dark, but I didn't get anything. So yeah, gonna try again early in the morning, try to catch me some snakehead fish, because they were just swimming around, just teasing me all day. So yeah, so we're gonna get a couple hours in before we take off back to Bacolod. So we're gonna sign off. So peace out, guys. Catch you guys later, and until next time, I'm out.